Hi guys! Welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. It's summer here in the Philippines and the heat is perfect for doing virus repair jobs that you can do yourself, such as repainting a wall.
To begin with, you will need the following: gloves, a dust and fume rated mask, steel brush, clean rags, roller or paintbrush, Davies Mega Acrylic Concrete Primer and Sealer, and Davies Mega Acrylic Latex Paints or Davies Sun and Rain Elastomatic Paint. Safety first. Always work in well-ventilated areas. If you are working indoors, please provide fans to ventilate the area. Wear gloves and a fume-rated mask at all times. Clear the area around the wall to be painted. Items that will not be painted should be removed. If the wall has an electrical fixture, socket, light or switch, turn off the electricity to that fixture and disassemble or remove it. Clean the area thoroughly. Remove all dirt, grime, mold, vegetation that may have built up on the wall. Make sure that there is no oil or grease on the wall. Clean the wall of any loose paint with a steel brush or scraper. Technically, you will need to fill or remove every inconsistency on the wall and fill these holes or pockmarks with thinner materials like Davies Non-Grip High Performance Epoxy. May mga nagsasabi na kailangan munang lasunin ang padera. The lason is a concrete neutralizer. These are used to remove the acidity of the new concrete walls. Prime the cement with the Davies Mega Acrylic Concrete Primer and Sealer. Primer is a substance that helps the paint bond with the cement. Once dry, apply a single coat of Davies Mega Acrylic Latex Paint or Davies Sun and Rain Elastomatic Paint. In this case, we will use a castaway blue that we mixed from our last episode. Finished!
That's all for today. How can we help you become a champion painter? Visit us on Facebook or email me at mtodepo@angelo@gmail.com and don't forget to join us next week. See ya!
We would like to thank Davies Paints, Paints Reinvented, for sponsoring this section of Ask Angelo.